Good afternoon, Miss Indri. We are from Group 12 and we will present the final result of the project report that we have made. Next. For Project 1 is to create an operation process chart. The purpose of making OPC is to find out machine requirement and budgeting, estimate raw material requirements, determine plans layout, repair tool, current work methods, and job training tools. Next. So it can be seen from the slide, the Playbox 3-in-1 product has 6 components, and there are 34 processes, which consisting of cutting, installation, coating, polishing, scraping, and painting process. Next. For project 2 is the routing sheet. The purpose of the routing sheet is to calculate the number of machine and the required machine time, and also to calculate the number of input and output of each process that must be prepared in order to obtain the desired number of finished product. Previously, we did forecast calculation and obtain the value of the equivalent unit per share of 83 unit per shift. This result is the total product that must be produced per shift. Then do the routing sheet calculation and the number of machine is 32 with 68 operator. Next.
In project 3 space requirement, in this space requirement, we calculate the total area needed for the production floor and warehouse. For example, on a jointer machine, we get a total area with a size 21.1 square meters. We get this by considering the distance between operators, work in process, product area, machine area, number of machine, and aisle. And the rush machine 56.7 square meters, in circle machine 135.3 square meter, in planer machine 19.6 square meters, in USB machine 71.4 square meters, in assembly table 313.7 square meters, and in jigsaw machine 51.5 square meter. So the total area needed for production floors and warehouse is 669.56 square meters, or if rounded up to 620 square meters. Okay, next.
Okay, from two chart is a conventional technique commonly used for planning factory layouts and moving materials in a production process. The numbers contained in our from two chart will show the total weight of the load to be moved, the distance to move materials, the volume, or any combination of these factors. Based on the iteration we have done, the selected machine process flow sequence is storage, circle machine, rush machine, jigsaw machine, USB machine, assembly table, jointer machine, and planer machine. Okay, next slide. Lingo. Lingo is a simple software for the linear and non-linear optimization that is used to quickly calculate many problems, solve them, and analyze the problems. The result of the Lingo has input from two chart. Lingo helps to find the right and optimal place for the machine position and its allowance. The layout results that have been obtained from the Lingo have considered material handling and the operator's root area. In the layout drawing, we use the X and Y axis. In the first table, means the length of the machine 1 is 1 to 10 meters, namely from X1 and X2, while the width of machine 1 is at point 16 to 30 from the 0 point of the y-axis. Okay, next.
Okay, this is a project 6 ERC So this is a result of a relationship from ERC. So this relationship from ERC is from a calculation from Excel, and there are a production department, raw material warehouse, finished product warehouse, parking area, office, locker, toilet, security post, medical room, canteen, mosque, generator, solid waste, liquid waste, and sterilization room. Next.
Okay, this is cost of goods sold that we calculate. The cost of raw material based on the raw material we use in the component. The total cost of direct raw material is 21,051 rupiah. We also calculate the cost of additional material, which the total is 137,425 rupiah. For direct labor cost is the total salary per shift for production operator, which total 2,743 and 15, which the calculate for the cost per production to be 33 and 48 rupiah. Overhead are calculated from taxes, weather cost, and so on, which is the result is in a cost of per product of 12,541 rupiah. Material handling cost per product is 50,683, and that was the manufacturing cost. And for the non-manufacturing cost is from the indirect labor cost and depreciation cost. Use the straight line method. Then the total cost of goods sold is 297,754 rupiah. And this is our layout for our company. We choose a location in Banjarnegara with a land of area 3,250 square meter. We have the first floor, which is the use for production floor, warehouse floor, canteen, and so on. And for the basement floor, we use it only for standard car parking for our manager, guests, and employee who brings car, which we estimate to be 21 people. In our layout, there is also a material flow that we make based on the operation process chart, and there are also a number of machines based on the machine we have. We also have the flow of vehicle. So that's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention.